Hello friends, today we are in the kitchen cooking something yummy. It is our family favorites, chicken enchiladas. Super easy, super quick, super delicious. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure that your chicken is shredded. So either take apart your rotisserie chicken or shred your chicken breasts into a bowl. Now set aside your chicken and we're going to get to mixing up the sauce for the enchiladas. Combine the soup, the sour cream and the chopped green chilies in a bowl. Once your sauce is well combined, you're going to add the chicken to the mixture. Now it's time to assemble. Now before you start rolling your enchiladas, you need to put a little of the sauce along the bottom of the pan to stop the tortillas from getting too hard and overdone. So now it's time to fill your enchiladas. I usually put about 1/4 cup of the mixture down the middle of a tortilla, top it with cheese, roll it and put it into the pan. Normally I will get around 10 enchiladas per recipe. I did triple the recipe in this video just because I was making church dinner, but you can kind of gauge the mixture and try and divide it evenly between 8 to 10 tortilla shells. Reserve a little of the mixture to spread on top of the enchiladas, otherwise they'll dry out when they cook. The last thing you're going to do is sprinkle the top of the enchiladas with the remaining cheese. You're ready to cook. You're going to cover the pan with foil and put them in a 350-degree oven for around 45 minutes. Then take the foil off and put them back in for another 10 to 15 minutes until they're brown and bubbly. This is also a great recipe to prepare and stick in the freezer for another day. I hope you enjoy these enchiladas as much as we do. Until next time, bye!